Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we are up in the doll nook. I get asked all the time, how many Blythes do you have? I don't know. Honestly, I do not know how many Blythes. Here's a few. This is just a handful of what I have. And I have a few rainbow high dolls. I absolutely love them too. Yes, I am a box collector. Today I have a Happy Mail from Irene Huff's Dolly Space. And I'm excited to open this. It came yesterday, and I'm going to do it with my new scissors from my son that came in a Happy Mail. I got a note from him. These are box openers. You slide this, look at the tip. You open your boxes with that, and then you put it back and you open your bags and stuff. So it is a Happy Mail or unboxing pair of scissors. I can't do it right yet, Drew, so just roll your eyes. I got a note from Drew. He told me all the answers I was asking or whatever in the unboxing of my scissors. He's so cute. If you knew my son, you would just, everybody loves Drew. And Jen, his wife, and Zoe, his daughter, and my other two sons. I have cool kids. I am so blessed with cool kids and two cool stepsons. So let's get to... Oh, Drew, that was pretty cool. When I get used to using them, I'm going to love it. All right. Oh, Irene, you do know me so well. Sheba Juku. Oh, my goodness. I don't know if you can see my girls over here. Where are the rest of them? I have several Sheba Jukus, and the only one showing is... Oh, shoot.
Are they on the shelf behind us?
I don't know. Let me turn around and see. Where are my Sheba Jukus? I got them cleaned up. I had bought those pre-loved. Now I have a brand new one. Let's get her out.
We found two of the girls. They're down here on the floor in front of the color printer.
Next to the Chatty Cathy.
Next to the Chatty Cathy's.
I have my scissors back on scissor mode, and it was pretty easy to do. I think I'm going to like these unboxing scissors. They're very cool. If I don't cut myself, because they are sharp. And my poor old household scissors that I had too long, or not, I don't want to cut her hair is the problem. And I can't, this is like rubbery and it's moving there we go. Let's get her. Oh, she's not ready to come out. Oh, Irene, I love her. Oh, she is so cute. I love that mint hair. Oh my goodness, look at this little dress. Is that, oh, I wanted to show you her little shoes. Oh, she's so cute. I wanted to show you my first, let me turn it around, my first Sheba Juku, and I got her, did we get her at a garage sale or did I find her on eBay? I can't remember. I think we got her at a garage sale. I have Yoko and my new girl. Let's see, does she have a name? Yes, she does. Akira. How cute is she? But I wanted you to see that the original Sheba Juku has the same little skull as the ones that just came out, the remakes. The eyes do not seem as big in the new girls, and the face mold is definitely different. I think, I wish we were on the table downstairs now, I think that the new girl is a little, that's hard to say because I can't line them up. They're about the same size, but I think the new girl's a little bit shorter. I love her. Irene, Deron will be making her a black stand, or maybe a mint green. Yeah. Oh, she's cute. If you do not know Irene's channel, she has amazing dolls. She has everything from Playline to Highline. I mean, just gorgeous dolls. She dresses them so cute. She sews for them. She does box openings and all kinds of challenges and collabs. Irene is amazing. It is Irene's Dolly Space. I will put the, well, it'll be in the title, her link. Go over there, take a look, give her, subscribe to her channel, give her some likes and comments so she too can get monetized. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Irene. I love this doll. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.